Question number 4. So that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. Here we have drawn a square ABCD with diagonals AC and BD intersecting each other at point O. We have to prove that diagonals AC and BD of this square ABCD are equal. And also we have to prove that diagonals AC and BD of this square ABCD bisect each other at right angles. So let's write given. ABCD is a square with diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O. And we have to prove that number 1, AC is equal to BD, diagonals are equal. Number 2, we have to prove that diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at right angle, that is AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD. So in second part we have to prove that AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD, and angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. That means diagonals bisect each other at right angle. This is we have to prove. So let's start proof. First part. In triangle ABC and DCB, in triangle ABC and triangle DCB, we have AB equal to DC. AB equal to DC, equal sides of square or sides of square are equal. Angle ABC is equal to angle DCB, 90 degree each. Angles of square are always right angle, that is 90 degree. So angle ABC is equal to angle DCB. BC is equal to CB, common side, and therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB by side angle side rule. Therefore AC is equal to DB by CPCT. AC and DB are diagonals of square ABCD. So AC equal to DB proves that diagonals of square ABCD are equal. So hence diagonals AC and DB of square ABCD are equal, and this proves the first part. Now second part. In second part we have to prove that diagonals AC and BD of square ABCD bisect each other at right angles. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD we have angle BAO is equal to angle DCO. Alternate interior angles are equal because ABCD is a square, AB is parallel to DC and AC is transversal. So angle BAO is equal to angle DCO, alternate interior angles are equal. AB is equal to DC. Equal sides of square are equal, so AB equal to DC. Angle ABO is equal to angle CDO. Again alternate interior angles because AB is parallel to DC and this time BD is transversal, so angle ABO is equal to angle CDO. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by angle side angle rule, and triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD proves that AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD by CPCT. AO equal to CO and BO equal to DO means diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at point O. So this AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD proves that diagonals AC and BD of square ABCD bisect each other at point O. Now we have to prove that these diagonals bisect each other at a right angle. So now in triangle AOB and triangle COB we have AO equal to OC, proved. AB equal to CB, sides of square, equal sides, and BO is equal to BO, common side. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by side rule. Side side congruence rule, and therefore angle AOB is equal to angle COB. So angle AOB is equal to angle COB by CPCT. But angle AOB and COB in the figure form a pair of form a linear pair of angles. But angle AOB plus angle COB is equal to 180 degrees because they form a linear pair of angles. So this implies, or we can write, therefore angle AOB is equal to angle COB is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB equal to 90 degree proves that diagonals AC and BD intersect at a right angle, and here we have proved that diagonals AC and BD bisect each other. So these two results together proves that diagonals AC and BD of square ABCD bisect each other at a right angle. Hence, diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at a right angle. Hence proved. Question number 5. So that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. This question is just converse of the previous question. In this figure, we have drawn a quadrilateral ABCD whose diagonals AC and BD are equal, and also diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at right angles. Then we have to prove that this quadrilateral ABCD is a square. So let's write, given in quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equal to BD. Diagonals AC and BD are equal. AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD, and angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. That means diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at a right angle. We have to prove that ABCD is a square. Proof. In triangle AOB, and triangle COB, we have AO is equal to OC, given angle AOB is equal to angle COB 90 degree each. It is also given. BO is equal to BO, common side, therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by side angle side rule. Side angle side rule. Therefore, AB is equal to BC by CPCT. Similarly, we can prove that BC is equal to CD and CD is equal to DA. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Four sides of quadrilateral ABCD are equal. Now in triangle ABC and DCB, we have AB equal to DC we have proved it. BC equal to CB. Here you can write region proved. Here BC equal to CB, common side AC is equal to BD, diagonals are equal, it is given. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB by side congruence rule. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle DCB by CPCT. They are corresponding parts of congruent triangles ABC and DCB. So, angle ABC is equal to angle DCB. But angle ABC plus angle DCB is equal to 180 degrees because ABCD is a parallelogram as its diagonals AC and BD bisect each other. It is given in the question that diagonals AC and BD of quadrilateral ABCD bisect each other. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. So, since ABCD is a parallelogram based on diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, angle ABC and DCB will form a pair of consecutive angles, as AB will be parallel to DC and BC will be a transversal. So, we have written ABC plus DCB equal to 180 degrees, as AB is parallel to DC and BC is transversal. As diagonals AC and BD bisect each other. It is given in the question. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram, and using this property of parallelogram, we have written angle ABC plus angle DCB equal to 180 degree, and before this we have proved that these angles are equal. So, angle ABC is equal to DCB is equal to 90 degree each. Now see, here we have proved that sides AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, and here we have proved that angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. These four sides equal proves that it is ABCD is a rhombus, and this angle ABC equal to 90 degree proves that this rhombus ABCD, whose one angle ABC is 90 degree, that means ABCD is a square. Hence, ABCD is a square, hence proved.